Driven by the France 2030 initiative, FlyRénov's R&D team pushes innovation through real-world testing. For the past 4 years, we have been cleaning wind turbines alongside ENGIE, continuously improving our drones and onboard technologies. That is why we started working with TECNALIA, to challenge, validate, and refine every solution to the highest standards.
So TECNALIA is one of Spain's leading applied research centers. We work across many sectors from energy to mobility, and specifically in aviation and innovative air mobility. Our goal is to turn ideas into real usable solutions that can have a tangible impact on the market. With FlyRénov, we coordinate closely at every stage. We plan the test scenarios together, we monitor the performance metrics, and tweak parameters as needed. This close collaboration ensures that the drone performs at their best and that the results we gather in the lab are meaningful for operational deployment.
As you are about to see with Nino, our strength in the R&D division comes from both developing proprietary drones like the CAP drone and mastering the use of commercial drone solutions.
First, this is a CAP3, a drone produced by FlyRénov. The advantage of this drone is that it's powered by a cable, which allows for unlimited flight time. It is intended for cleaning wind turbine. Then, this is the M400 by DJI, which has high payload capacity and long flight autonomy. It is equipped with a LiDAR system that provides high precision to your algorithm.
So laboratory tests are essential because they let us safely replicate real-world conditions. They help us understand how systems behave, identify potential issues early, and especially refine the technology before deploying it in operational environments. It's really about bridging the gap between concept and a market-ready solution.
Testing this drone in a laboratory is essential. They allow us to test your software in a secure and controlled environment. This also enables testing drone with wind perturbation. These tests allow to validate all the work we have done and to see the point to improve.
So we know that high pressure cleaning with drones is quite difficult for our drone operators. We need to be very precise within a range of 10 centimeters regarding our obstacle, and when the mission gets higher, it's even more difficult. The facade following is the tool that enables drone operators to achieve complicated missions. By using sensor, we are able to keep a constant distance between the drone and the obstacle. This is very useful when the mission is about high altitudes.
So in the innovative air mobility platform, our methodology is structured and iterative. First, we define clear objectives for each test. Then we recreate real-world scenarios as closely as possible. And finally, we collect detailed data during testing, analyze the results, and use them to adjust the system. So this cycle, of course, repeats until performance meets the desired standards.
Thanks to the collaboration between TECNALIA and FlyRénov, we continue to push innovation further while maintaining the highest standards of excellence. Every test brings us closer to building the technology of tomorrow.